friends, I am Sneha Savla. I am an audiologist and speech language pathologist. Welcome to Sparkling Activities. On this YouTube channel, we share different creative and innovative activities using simple and easily available household objects, and we post a video every Wednesday. So the object that we have selected for today's video are these pens. These are different kinds of pens. Now, as you all know, we have a lot of different kinds of pens in our houses, like sketch pens, marker pens, or there could be pencils. So we are going to show you all different activities using these pens. So let's get started. So for our first activity, what I have done is, I have taken these Nataraj pens. As you all can see, they are red in color from outside and all the pens are the same type. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you all one activity and several modifications and complex variations of the same activity. So today's activity is basically focused on pattern copying. So this is the pen which belongs to me and this is the pen which belongs to my partner. So if I have kept the pen in this manner, which is the vertical manner, my partner, who may be a child or an adult, is expected to put the pen in the same manner. So what I'll do is, suppose I change the position of the pen, my partner is also expected to change the position of the pen. Now instead of this, suppose he puts the pen in this manner where the cover portion faces downwards rather than upwards, the way my pen faces. Then what I will do is, I will help my partner and prompt him to place it in the correct manner. So this is a very simple pattern copying activity. Now let's move on to a slightly complex variation where there are two pens with me and there will be two same types of pens with my partner. So if I make this kind of a pattern, my partner is also expected to focus on my pattern and copy the same kind of pattern. So there are different kinds of patterns that can be very easily copied and done using these pens. Now this is not a very complex activity as there is not much of a choice making with the pens. You have the same kinds of pens. So this is a very simple activity. Now to make this activity a little more complex, what I will do is, I have made two different sets of pens. So this plate is for me and the another plate is for my partner. Now as you all can see, I have put 5 different kinds of pens in each plate and they are same types of pens. So there's a black colored marker pen, there's a white colored marker pen, there is a pencil, there's a sketch pen and there is a red colored Nataraj pen. So this plate is for me and this is for my partner. So now what I will do is, I will use different kinds of pens and make a particular kind of a pattern. So suppose I make this pattern, my partner has to visually focus on the pattern that I have made, which is basically the target pattern for my partner, and he has to take the correct kinds of pens. So there is not just the pattern which has to be copied, but instead of that, the correct kinds of pens have to be placed in the correct manner. So now suppose if I change the pattern and I make a different kind of pattern. So instead of using 3 pens, now suppose if I plan to use 4 different pens and suppose this is the pattern that I am making. Now it is not necessary that you all only have to make alphabets with these pens. You all can make as many different complex variations as you all can. It all really depends on your creativity level. So my partner has to see the pattern that I have done and again copy the same pattern. Now instead of the sketch pen, if my partner puts the pencil over here and puts the sketch pen over here, then this is a wrong pattern copy. The pattern is correct, but the kinds of pens that I used are not correct. So then the partner has to correct his particular kind of pattern. Now a slight variation of this activity is where I will be making a complex pattern, but what I will do is, I will cover that pattern after a while. Say for example 10 seconds. So my partner gets 10 seconds to focus on the pattern that he is making and then I am going to cover this pattern. So now this is the pattern that I have made. After focusing on the pattern for 10 seconds, my partner, without seeing the pattern, has to repeat, has to copy this particular pattern. So I have covered this pattern. Now your partner has to understand the pattern. He has to use his visual memory, his other types of memory skills, his attention, concentration, and copy the pattern, and not just the pattern, place the pens in the right manner. So now let's see whether this is correctly copied or not. Now as you can see, the pattern is almost correct. However, the kinds of pens, the different kinds of pens are not placed in the right manner. So as you can see, the target pattern, which is my pattern, has white marker over here, but it is over here in this pattern. So as you can see, the pens are not correctly placed. So this is a very simple activity that we can do with the help of pens, as we have a lot of pens, and pen is something that our children really like a lot. They want to scribble with the pens every now and then. So we can make this object little more creative and turn it into a fun game for our children. So I hope you all like these activities. Please go and check out our previous videos as well. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Sparkling Activities. I will see you all next Wednesday with yet another video. So happy playing!